Julor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba kejela Konrad Kongkel Sangma Ulaong. Hadin ke Jingjur jong uslap bat ke Lyer menhenen ke sengi ke santarik ujimbang arajar arpusau. Kila don bon teli gilong Ïing long sen ke bala sya arong. Bat sya penjat ha ke Lyer bat uslap. Haki distrik bapher. Bat apa persyang banwat banyak. Kila don hadu usau spa teli gilong Ïing ke bala sya penjulor. Ha ke Lyer bat uslap. Habaya keren bat kilat patai kubor mentak ke sengi ke hendretrik ujimbang arajar arpusau. Nakaliang Konrad Ulaong. Bawa lade ban pa. Yaki bor penyak distrik bakin shimkia ban penbiang yaki jingdon kam. Syakituki Ïing ki sem ki balamat yaki jing syak penjulor. Bat kiwei ki jingdon kam haki Ïing ki sem. Menteri Rangba Ulaong ru bamenshwa habadon ki jing syak lenshop haki bor jong kamariang. Ki jat Jingïarap ki bala ban ai ki day tang ukau bat kiwei pat ki jing bam. Bat klemshim la syak ne ban kentup. Yaki wei pat ki jingdon kam haki Ïing ki sem. Hindroi hadin baka Sorkar kala Pynkloi ki kindon ai Jingïarap. Menta ki Deputy Commissioner jong ki District bapher ki la ban ai ki Jingïarap klem dan kam ni ki jing menjur na ki bor bahalor ha ke ba ki la ban ai kat kum ke jingla bat ru ke jingdon jongki. Konrad ula pentip ru ba ki lat Jingïarap ki layat syaprang bat ki don bondeli ki Ïing ki bala yo ye kini ki Jingïarap na ke Sorkar bat ula pentip ru ba ki Ïing ki bempat yo ye ki Jingïarap kin sa yo shen hapo ke arpusau kenta.
Yesterday, because of the strong winds and some heavy rainfall in certain parts of the state, there were many houses that got damaged in different districts. About 7 districts were affected and about 400 plus houses were damaged. And immediately I have asked the administration and the departments to provide the relief material to the houses, and the process has started, and different kind of relief materials including CGI sheets also are now being given to the households that were damaged. I would like to mention here that earlier during these kind of situations, the guidelines had only permitted rice and other food items to be distributed on an emergency basis, and different housing materials were not part of this emergency distribution and work. But we have changed the guidelines in the past years, and now the respected deputy commissioners at their own level, without taking any kind of necessary approval from the state authorities, can assess and distribute the CGI sheets at the district level based on their own assessment. This has really streamlined the process now, and the process for housing, which used to take sometimes 6 months to even a year before we could distribute CGI sheets. Now with the change in the guidelines, which we made in the last couple of years, the deputy commissioners have immediately acted, and today also many houses have already received relief materials, including CGI sheets, and those who have not, within the next 24 to 48 hours maximum, they will receive them. Thank you.